Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Recently, I have ordered a mechanical pencil from Amazon. Let's unpack this. This is a mechanical pencil from the brand Sakura, which is a Japanese brand, and this is a combo pack in which we get a mechanical pencil, an eraser and a lead box of HP. At the back of the pack you can see the description of the product, and the pencil is made up of cushioning mechanism which absorbs pressure, which helps in avoiding lead breakage. And the MRP is 270 Indian rupees per pack. And they have also mentioned a tagline art by Saurabh Joshi, who is a famous artist. I will leave a card from one of his arts in YouTube. In the box we have Sakura foam eraser, which is of very high quality. And we also have a HP range lead box in the box, which contains 12 leads. And of course you will get a high quality 0.5 mm lead in the pencil itself, which is protected by cushioning mechanism. Let's examine the bottom part of the pencil, what exactly the cushioning mechanism is. I'm removing the bottom cap of the pencil and you can see an excellent protection shield of the lead, so that it prevents the breakage of the lead. And apart from normal eraser in the combo pack, you will also get an attached eraser at the back of the pencil, which is cylindrical in shape, and of course it erases precisely. You can insert the extra leads from the top itself, and you can insert from the bottom also. The body of the pencil was completely made up of plastic, and a 0.5 indication was also mentioned on the body. Sakura is an excellent brand from Japan which manufactures mechanical pencils, calligraphy pens, jelly rolls and many more stationery products, which are very essential for beginner artists to professional artists. Let's have a sample art with this pencil on a normal A4 size sheet. In this art, I am using a single 0.5 mm HP mechanical pencil from Sakura. All the shades you see in this art are produced from the same 0.5 mm HP Sakura mechanical pencil. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more art related videos. Thank you.